Have you ever wished there was a simple way to soothe tired, achy knees after a long day? Today, I'll show you a popular DIY comfort method using a sanitary pad, Vicks VapoRub, and turmeric. While this isn't a medical treatment or a cure for joint problems, some people enjoy the cooling sensation and temporary comfort it may provide. Let's get started. First, take a clean sanitary pad and open it completely. Lay it flat on a clean surface with the absorbent side facing upward. Although sanitary pads are designed for personal hygiene, their soft, absorbent surface and adhesive backing also make them useful for holding certain topical products against the skin for a short period of time. Next, scoop a generous amount of Vicks VapoRub onto the center of the pad. Using the back of a spoon, spread it evenly across the absorbent surface. Make sure the layer is smooth and reaches close to the edges, so the product is distributed consistently wherever the pad touches your skin. Vicks VapoRub contains ingredients such as menthol and camphor. These ingredients create a cooling sensation on the skin that many people find soothing. While they don't treat the underlying cause of joint pain, they may help provide temporary relief from minor muscle and joint discomfort. Now, lightly sprinkle ground turmeric over the Vicks layer. Try to distribute it evenly instead of placing it all in one spot. Then gently press the turmeric into the ointment with your spoon so it stays in place. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin, which has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory properties when consumed in food or supplements. However, evidence for homemade topical turmeric mixtures relieving joint pain is limited. Many people still enjoy using turmeric in DIY wellness routines, but results can vary from person to person. Comment below and tell me which city you're watching from. I'd love to see where everyone is joining us from. Once the mixture is ready, place the pad over the area where you feel minor muscle or joint discomfort, such as your knee, calf, shin, foot, or lower back. The adhesive backing helps keep it comfortably in place without needing additional wrapping. Press it gently against your skin and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, many people notice the cooling feeling from the menthol and camphor, which can create a comforting sensation after a physically demanding day. If you have sensitive skin, test a small amount of Vicks on a small area first. Avoid using this mixture on broken, irritated, or damaged skin, and discontinue use if you notice redness, burning, or irritation. Because turmeric can stain fabric and clothing, you may also want to wear older clothing during use. For ongoing, severe, or worsening joint pain, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional. Persistent pain can have many different causes that require proper evaluation and treatment. Comment yes if you'd like to try this simple DIY comfort method, and let me know your experience in the comments. If you found this tip interesting, give this video a like, share it with someone who enjoys simple home wellness ideas, and follow for more practical DIY tips and everyday household hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.